Hey guys, today we will be seeing how to lace a Nike Air Force 1 in a loose and unique way. First we'll turn the shoe, remove the turn of the shoe a bit, and we'll take one end of the lace, put it inside the turn of the shoe. Pull the lace out and make sure the laces are equal. Then take the both loops of the laces and pull it on top to make sure it's equal. Then pull the laces down. Take a loop and put it in the second loophole, not the first one. Do it to the second lace as well. Not the first one, but the second one. Like this. Make sure you do it to the second one, not the first one. Take the first lace or the second lace which you have put in and put it across the shoe to the third loophole from the top. And take the other lace and put it on the third loophole from the top. Make sure you do it in a neat and nice way because the outcome should also come in a neat and nice way. Do it in the same pattern which I have done to the first one. Do it to the fourth loop as well. Take it from outside to inside to the loop. Make sure you fix the other way laces which happen in the middle. Now do it to the fifth loop from the top. Make sure you don't tie it tightly. Make sure you keep it loose. Keep on making sure you follow the same pattern. First you take the left one, then the right one. Or first the right one, then the left one. Take it from outside to inside. This lacing technique is a bit unique because most of the people don't use this. Now put it on the last loophole and then pull it out to the back of the shoe. Make sure you will not do the full lacing of the shoe tightly. Do it to the second lace as well. Then when it comes on top, make sure to take a lace and measure it how much loose lace you want and put the rest inside of the shoe. Make sure you do it to the other one also. And there you go, a unique and loose way. Make sure you follow the way I'm doing it. Do it to the other pair also. Thank you for watching this video.